1. The smallest functional unit of the liver is lobule. 2. Which type of joint is found in the vertebra? Cartilaginous joint. 3. The hormone responsible for milk ejection during breastfeeding is oxytocin. 4. Which part of the brain is responsible for temperature regulation? Hypothalamus. 5. The layer of the blood vessel wall responsible for vasoconstriction is tunica media. 6. The fluid found between the pleural membranes is called pleural fluid. 7. Which of the following is an example of an irregular bone? Vertebra. 8. The sinoatrial node is located in right atrium. 9. The structural protein found in hair, nails, and skin is keratin. 10. The primary muscle used during normal inhalation is diaphragm. 11. Which cranial nerve is responsible for hearing and balance? Vestibulocochlear. 12. The primary site of blood cell production in adults is bone marrow. 13. The enzyme that breaks down proteins in the stomach is pepsin. 14. The process of swallowing is also known as deglutition. 15. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Vitamin K. 16. The part of the brain responsible for language comprehension is Wernicke's area. 17. Which is the largest gland in the human body? Liver. 18. The name of the process where white blood cells engulf pathogens is phagocytosis. 19. The neurotransmitter responsible for muscle contraction is acetylcholine. 20. The hormone secreted by the pancreas to lower blood glucose levels is insulin. 21. The outermost layer of the skin is called epidermis. 22. The area in the retina where no photoreceptors are present is optic disc. 23. The organ that stores iron and releases it as needed is liver. 24. The structural unit of compact bone is osteon. 25. Which part of the brain regulates heart rate and breathing? Medulla oblongata. 26. The pigment responsible for skin color is melanin. 27. Which of the following structures connects muscles to bones? Tendons. 28. The hormone aldosterone primarily affects sodium and potassium balance. 29. The fluid that circulates in the brain and spinal cord is cerebrospinal fluid. 30. The valve that prevents backflow of blood into the left ventricle is aortic valve.